chicken fried rice. It doesn't get any better than this. Full plate for one person. Cost on this is about $2.50. Great lunch. No need to go to a restaurant, spend big bucks, do it yourself at home. Right there. Today we're going to show you how to cook for one person. Everybody's been asking for this. Everybody wants to see this, so let's go. Here's our ingredient list. We're going to have a bell pepper, a mushroom, 1 garlic, green onion, rice, 3 ounces of chicken, and some green beans, and tofu. Everyone wants to know about tofu. We'll eventually do a video about that also. Very interesting item. We'll have granulated garlic. We've got some chicken base here with tomato sauce in it and celery salt. That's it. First, we're going to prep all our ingredients. Green pepper, very julienne slices. If you like to, you can cross it and then cut it again. That's it. Mushroom, slice once, and then the slices over here. Green onion, take the stem off. You want to slice these on an angle so they'll have more cooking surface. And we'll fry the tops for garnish. 2 pieces of garlic. Garlic squash. Push the garlic down. Push the garlic down again. The skin will come off very easy when you do that. Skin comes off. Take that off. Cut off the ends. You don't want to get the root. Not very flavorful. Throw those away and cut those up. We'll put the garlic in very last thing because you don't want to burn it. Next, we're going to cut our tofu up. Tofu, very interesting. These come in blocks. What you want to do is take your block, cut it into pieces, and stick it in some kind of marinade sauce. I've used a little bit of soy sauce, water, garlic salt, and vinegar in here, so they'll stay fresh. Very versatile, very high in protein, very easy to work with. We got everything done now. Everything's cut up, everything's ready to go. We're going to put everything in the pot. We're going to cook the green beans, peel them off, and drain them off, and then throw them in the pot with everything else. This will come together very easily, very quickly. The channel is about real food, cooking realistic ingredients, and that's what we have right now. Hang on, let's go. We've turned our little pot on with a little water in there. We're going to add a little bit of salt. And we're going to par blanch off the green beans. You want to cook the green beans first because they'll never cook like stir fry and they'll come out almost raw and flavorless. So let that come to a boil and we'll come back and start putting everything together. All right, our water is coming to a boil. Let's turn our fire on your main pan on and put the green beans in. Let them cook down. Let the other pan warm up and we'll be good to go. One thing very important, when you start cooking, you want to have everything laid out there. You want to have all your ingredients, all your items, all your entrees where you can see them, where you can grab them. You don't want to be fumbling through the refrigerator looking for things you can't find while the stove is on there, while the pan is on the stove burning. All right, beans are boiling. Let's put our vegetables in first. Oh, it smells good. Tofu goes in. Stir this around a little bit. There'll be plenty of food for one person. Comes together very quick. Let's add some celery salt. Let's add some garlic salt. Garlic salt. And we'll save our chicken base for a little later. You want to get a good crust on this, good flavoring. That's a lot of food. Very simple, very easy. Comes together very quick. What's our green beans? Take our green beans now. They've come to a boil. They're blanched off. We're going to drain them out. And add them back to the pan. Everything's cooking down. Now we can add our rice in. The rice is already cooked. I'll do a video on this red rice also. We use the chicken tomato base from Knox. And we also use just regular rice cooker, salt, garlic, and other spices. But I'll do a video on that sometime. Let you see how that's made. Very, very flavorful. Back to our pan. Now that's about done. We throw in our garlic. Let that cook off. If it starts to stick, add a little bit of water, a little bit of base in there. And that's it. Turn your fire off. We're ready to go. Let's plate this up, come back and try it. Like I said, real food, no pretensions. This is actually my dinner for today. I'll take it to work, I'll put it in a Tupperware, and that's what I'll have for lunch. So, like I said, no excuses. No need to go to a fancy restaurant. No need to spend a lot of money. This entire thing costs about $2.50. You can do this too. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Let's try this and see how it is. See the steam coming out? Rice, mushrooms, green beans. Oh my gosh. Very good. You need to try this. If you do, let me know how it is. And if you found this video helpful, share it with somebody who you think needs to learn how to cook and who can help feed themselves a little better. And we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye.